Okay, let's read our learning target. I can find the missing part to make an equation true. We've found the missing part before for things. Take a look at these two problems. And let's find the missing part of this equation. We have 7 is our total. This is 4. And how many more to get to 7? When we did this before, we had 4, and we go 5, 6, 7. Well, it took us 3 more. Let's take a look at this one. 2 plus something equals 6. Okay, well, what do I need to add to 2 to get to 6? You could draw dots if you're not sure. You could use cubes. Let's try using cubes. So I know I have 2, and I need to get to 6. So you know what? I'm going to count all 6 out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so here's 6. This is what I need to get to, and I know 2. Well, how many are left? 4. So my answer here would be 4. Alrighty, friends. So we're going to be doing some of these practice ones together. Please make sure you write the answer to the number sentence. I do it below it. You could write it above it as well. So 8 plus 4 equals something plus 5. Now this might seem tricky, but we've done this before. Let's first solve this side, the 8 plus 4. If you're not sure, let's use a tool. I'll start at 8 and I'll add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. I will write 12 below. There we go. And now I have to think, well, 12 equals something plus 5. And my number below here has to be 12. So what do I add to 5 to get to 12? We could use this to help us out. We could use cubes. I'm going to use this to help because I know I'd be at 12. 12 is what I need to get to. I need to find out what I need to add to 5. So I'm actually going to subtract 5 from 12 because addition and subtraction are the opposite of each other. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I went down 5 and I found out that I need 7. So my answer, my number that would go here is 7. 7 plus 5 will give me 12. This is now a true equation. I am going to double check that though. I'm just curious. I want to make sure that 7 plus 5 is 12. So I'm going to use cubes to check it. Okay, so I have 7 cubes and 5 more. Let's go ahead and count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 7 plus 5 is 12. Okay, we're going to do a couple more. Let's look at this one here. Again, let's solve the side that has the addition part. 7 plus 1. Alrighty, friends. We're going to go ahead. Well, what's 7 plus 1? 1 more than 7 is 8. So I'm going to write 8 here. Now, this has to equal 8 down here too, right? Because whatever blank plus 3 has to equal our 8. If you aren't sure, we could also draw dots until we get to 8. So remember 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Well, how many dots did that take? That was 5. I'm going to double check that with my cubes. So I have 5 plus 3. We're going to make sure it is 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That does equal 8. So now we got it. The answer here is 5. Okay, let's try this one. So 6 plus 2 is the part we need to solve first, because again, it's the part we know. Well, what's 6 plus 2? 2 more than 6 is 8. Okay, I'm going to put an 8 down here to help me remember that I need to get to 8. Now, blank plus 7 to get to 8. What would I add to 7 to get to 8? Well, I actually know that 1 more than 7 is 8. If I wasn't sure, I could also go here. I could start at the 7 and keep adding until I get to the 8. 1. I made it to 8. So it's 1. One more we're going to do. So you have 7 plus something will equal 9 plus 2. We have to solve the side that actually has both numbers. So what's 9 plus 2? Well, I know that 2 more than 9 is 11. Okay, so now we're going to go 7 plus something has to get me there. So 11 is what we need to get to. Okay, 7 plus what will give me 11? I'm going to use my number line again. That seems like a handy tool. I'm going to start at 7. And remember, I have to get up to 11. So let's count how many it takes for me to get up to here. So I got to get to here. This is 11. Okay, let's see how many it takes. 1, 2, 3, 4. It took me 4 to get there. Okay, well, I'm going to check that for sure, though. So I'm going to do 7 cubes. And I'm going to add 4 to it just to check. So let's count. This is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It is. Okay, friends. Use these tools to help you on your math sheet today. This looks exactly like we just did. I will do the first one with you. So again, it says find the missing part to make each equation true. Okay, so 6 plus 3 is the part we need to solve first. So what is 6 plus 3? If I'm not sure, I can use my cubes. 6 plus 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm going to write that below. 9 equals, and this has to be 9 over here too, right? Because we want it to be a true equation. So 8 plus what will get me to 9? Well, I know 1 more than 8 is 9. But let's check it with this. So again, I'm going to put this at 8. I'm going to add 1 more and see if I get to 9. 1. I got to 9. Okay, friends, so this is what your worksheet looks like today. Take your time. Again, solve each part of the problem underneath it.